right now I have planned with my friend to go to Granada Mall. Guys, the crazy thing is when you want to relax, that's when work gets to you. And that's what is happening to me right now. So ladies and gentlemen, we are in Granada Mall. So we have Wajid with us. This is Saad.
Hello.
How's everything? These two guys, they are like super naughty. So we are going at American Eagle Outfitters. Guys, off the camera, these guys were fighting with me to pay the bill.
Okay, I accept. I look younger.
Oh my goodness. I think it shrunk a bit after getting heated. You are the only one non-serious. So right now, guys, we were trying out this Tom Ford perfume. I think I'll have to turn off the camera to know that that one. Don't go for the ISPT, man.
It's not good.
No, like it's not something extraordinary. I think I know you guys from somewhere.
Hi, how are you?
So the drinks are here finally. Saad, show us these drinks. So have a look at this one.
It's
I wanna believe you, but you have to tell
100
me.
out of 10.
Yeah.
Control C plus control V.
Control V. So guys, now we are closing this laptop finally.